What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another video. I'm going to be trying to get these out as much as possible just because I do believe that there are some very potential big winning stocks out there. So I'm going to cover another one today. I did just make a video on Surf Air SRFM, so please check that one out. You really got to check out SRFM, guys. Things are, it is rising a lot in the moment, but just look for yourself. So the next one we're going to be looking at today is NVTS, which is Navitas. I should have put that on there, sorry. So NVTS, okay, Navitas Semiconductors. All right, so we're going to start off with, before we get to the charts, we're going to start off with what Navitas Semiconductor is and why they are, in my opinion, going to be the next, or one of the next top stocks on the market. So Navitas Semiconductor is a company specializing in gallium nitride and silicon carbide to power semiconductors. And we're going to get into what those two complicated terms are a little bit. They are collaborating with Nvidia on a next generation 800 volt high voltage direct current. I have no idea what any of this means, guys. I am not a tech or computer person. However, I do know what collaboration with Nvidia means, specifically to improve the efficiency and scalability of AI workloads. I know there's a lot of buzzwords, but that's a good thing. Scalability, efficiency with AI workloads. Just think about where we are in today's tech landscape. This is going to be big, in my opinion. So gallium nitride and silicon carbide. These I am familiar with science, but to a certain extent, right? So why are they important? So they're crucial because essentially they're materials that are revolutionizing power electronics, specifically with semiconductors. So advantages include higher efficiency, faster switching speeds, and the ability to operate at higher voltages and temperatures. Not sure what that means, but and it's vital to applications like electric vehicles. So please check out SRFM, renewable energy, and high-speed communication systems. The relevance behind this stock in the tech sector, in the energy sector, in communication sector is big. All right, so you can look into advantages on your own, guys, but the last thing I want to point on before we get to the charts is TSMC, which you guys may know as TSM on the stock market. They are a very big provider of gallium nitride and semiconductor and silicon carbide, but they are phasing out their operations in 2 years. So the main provider of gallium nitride and silicon carbide, they're not going to be providing it anymore. So what's going to have to happen? People are going to have to shift to different providers. Now, there is competition out there, don't get me wrong, but I believe in Navitas, so that's why I believe right now it's a good stock to buy at the current price. So if we look at Navitas on the chart, we're going to go to the, let's start with the 1 month, right? How has it been trading lately? So it has been kind of in a downtrend lately. However, let me get to this one instead. Sorry about that, guys. Let's do a 6 month, 15 on the 6 month. All right. So you're out. Sorry, guys. This Yahoo sometimes kind of annoying, especially on the weekends. I feel like they cut the servers out. All right. So, I'm not gonna lie. On Friday, I did put an order in, but I put an order in, I believe, for 542 and 578 because, in my opinion, what's this? It fell below, I think this was a crucial point of 635. So after it falls there, probably going to retest. So it just, and then right here. So we are at we closed at 584. I was hoping we could hold 592, but we didn't. So now I'm really thinking that this could still fall maybe to around, maybe 542 or maybe even 523 just based off of what we're seeing. So I'm going to put an order in on Monday for maybe 523 to 545 just to DCA a little bit because, again, I'm a long-term investor on NVTS. So, I followed this stock probably for about a year and a half now, and it's been going anywhere from, you can see here from all the way down or lows of, I saw this, guys. Here we go. Let's go to the real lows. This went down to like Liberation Day, like to the $1.90 range. So I should have picked up. I didn't, and I'm sure a lot of us were just kind of weary of buying into the market at that time. But those who did, look where we are now, sitting at 584. So this, for the past month or so, has really held above 550. I think if we hold above 550 for the next couple of weeks, then we are going to just bounce back. All right, because the current trend is a downtrend, but let me see. So a lot of selling behavior, right? And that's where I'm saying where I do feel like this stock could still fall a little bit in the short term, right? But if we look at the long term, guys, if we look at the chart from the whole time, we have that look right here. We are holding above very strong right here. And it looks like we hit a double bottom as well. So, you know, the W, right? We have a W and then it should be in the uptrend. That's just my opinion, guys. Let me know what you guys think about that. But again, guys, this is NVTS, Navitas Semiconductors. So let me know what you guys think. I am personally in, but I'm long term on this stock. I just want you guys to know that. So if you agree, let me know. If you disagree, your thoughts on the company. But look forward to hearing from you guys. And we'll be out with another video soon.